Thank you for using DriveSavers for your data recovery needs. In this video, we're going to show you how to import your Outlook 2016 or newer files. If you have Outlook 2011 or older, we have a separate video for you to refer to. In a previous video, we showed you how to restore your data to your computer and how to put those files back into their original folders. If you haven't watched that video, please refer to that. To begin restoring Outlook, find your job number recovery folder in your user folder. Click on your job number folder, then Macintosh HD, users, your username, then the library folder. In the library folder, click on group containers. Inside group containers, you'll see a UBF8T346G9.office folder. Click on that, then click the Outlook folder inside and find the Outlook Profiles folder. Here, you will have a main profile folder, as well as potentially other profile folders. The main profile is what we're going to restore to your computer. Next, click on the File menu in Finder and click New Finder window. Place this new window in the bottom of your screen. Then go back to the Finder Go menu. Hold the Option key on your keyboard to show the library option and click Library. This will take you to your computer's library folder, which is normally a hidden folder. Scroll to the Group Containers folder and find the UBF8T346G9.office folder. In there, click the Outlook folder, then the Outlook Profiles folder. Now you will notice that we already have a main profile folder in here. If this is a brand new install of Outlook that you have not set up yet, and you just want to put back the data that we recovered, go ahead and delete this main profile folder. Then copy the main profile from your upper recovery window down into your bottom profile window, and you should be done. Then, when you open Outlook, it will find that main profile and open it successfully. But if you have opened Outlook, configured it, and have new mail coming in that you're worried about losing, then there are a few steps we'll have to take. In the top Finder window with your recovery, rename the main profiles folder by double-clicking it so that we don't override the existing one. Then drag that folder down into the Outlook Profiles folder on your computer so that it sits right underneath your main profile. Now I have two profiles in my folder. Outlook will not just import a new profile. We have to create a backup first. So, in your upper window, go to your Applications folder and find Outlook in your list of applications. Hold the Control key down on your keyboard and click once on Outlook to get the submenu to pop up. Click Show Package Contents in this list. You will now see a folder called Contents. Inside, click on the Shared Support folder and find the Outlook Profile Manager. Double-click on that file to run it. Now both of the profiles we put in our folder are here. Next, we want to set up our recovered profile to be our primary default profile. Click once on Recovered Main Profile, then click on the circle with the arrow at the bottom and select Set as Default. Here, you can see that it bolded the recovered main profile, indicating that it is your new default profile. Leave this window open, since we will have to come back to it, and open the Outlook program. Outlook will launch it with your recovered profile. You can see that this is my recovered profile, including all my drafts and old emails that I recognize. From here, you need to export. Go to the Outlook menu and click File, then Export. In this pop-up window, we want to choose to export everything, then click Continue. You can choose where you would like to save it. I will select my user folder, which in this case is called DriveSavers. I will title the export Outlook for Mac Archive and save it. That export includes everything I recovered, which you will now want to import into your other profile. Go ahead and quit Outlook. Remember to go to the Outlook window and click Quit Outlook. Do not simply click the red X button because that will only close the window without quitting or ending the program. Now, go back to your Outlook Profile Manager and switch back to your main profile as default. Click the circle and the arrow and set it as default. Now you will see that the main profile is bolded, indicating that it is set as my default when I open the Outlook program. Now I have all my current emails restored. From here, you can click File, Import, then select Outlook for Mac Archive File.olm, then click Continue. Now it will ask you to look for the file. I saved it here in my user folder, titled Outlook for Mac Archive.olm. So select that file and import it. You can see it was imported here in the left sidebar as this folder with the same name and with the same subfolders. The only thing I had in that profile were a few drafts, which were successfully imported. Now you can drag your emails or folders into other places if you choose to, or just leave as reference that your recovery is in this folder, and all your new emails will be entering into your inbox. At this point, you can close your Outlook Profile Manager, and you now have everything in one place in your Outlook program. If you still have any questions, you can visit cswiki.drivesavers.com, where you can find more information about restoring data to your computer. If you still have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-609-2301.
Thank you for watching and for using DriveSavers for all your data recovery needs.